the Caregiver Connection podcast by Best Care, where we dive into new topics each week, drawing inspiration from our insightful and educational blog posts. We're committed to providing valuable information that impacts both home care clients and caregivers. Without further ado, let's jump into this week's episode. Home remedies for sickle cell pain. Sickle cell disease is a genetic disorder that transforms round red blood cells into rigid crescent shapes. The change in shape can hinder the cell's journey through the bloodstream. As a result, it can hamper oxygen delivery to the body's organs and tissues. According to the Cleveland Clinic, sickle cell disease affects about 100,000 Americans. The disorder occurs in about 1 in every 365 Black births. It occurs in about 1 in every 16,300 Hispanic American births. About 1 in every 12 people of Black or African descent carries the sickle cell trait. Children grappling with this illness often encounter pain, fatigue, irritability, and a heightened susceptibility to infections. If you're caring for a child with sickle cell disease, managing their symptoms is a primary concern. While this condition requires professional medical attention, you can also employ home remedies for sickle cell pain. Additionally, certain lifestyle adjustments may ease their discomfort and improve their lives. What should sickle cell patients avoid? One of the key considerations in managing sickle cell pain is understanding what kids must avoid. Here are 3 big things to keep in mind. Number 1, avoid extreme temperatures. Very hot and very cold temperatures can provoke a sickle cell crisis, which manifests as an acute, sometimes crippling pain engulfing the entire body. Take special care to dress kids warmly during cold spells and ensure that they remain in cool environments during the heat. Additionally, it's essential to avoid dehydration by encouraging them to drink plenty of fluids, especially on hot days. Number 2, maintain vigilant hygiene practices. Keeping a close eye on cleanliness can be a stronghold in preventing infections like the flu. The flu poses a serious threat to children with sickle cell disease. Frequent hand washing with soap and water is a simple yet effective line of defense. It's also crucial to keep their vaccinations current and to approach fevers with utmost seriousness, given their increased risk of infection. Number 3, take extra precautions with meat and eggs. Stanford Medicine reports children with sickle cell disease are at more risk of illness from salmonella. To prevent salmonella infection, your child should not eat raw or undercooked meat or eggs. What does sickle cell pain feel like? Sickle cell pain can vary greatly depending on the individual. However, people often describe it as a throbbing or sharp stabbing sensation that is almost paralyzing. This pain can be chronic and ongoing or periodic and short-lived. How can sickle cell be managed? As a caregiver, you can help your care recipient manage these painful episodes with a few home remedies for sickle cell pain. This may include warm baths, heating pads, and gentle massages. Pain-relieving medication should be given under the guidance of a child's healthcare provider. If your child with sickle cell disease has a fever, it should be carefully monitored because they are at a greater risk of developing an infection. Other home remedies for sickle cell pain. You can also provide a balanced diet rich in nutrients and maintain a routine that includes physical activity paired with adequate rest. These healthy habits are crucial for preventing dehydration, which can lead to a pain crisis, and supporting the individual's overall well-being. Beyond the physical aspects, emotional support is also important for a family caregiver to provide. Engaging with support groups where children can share their experiences and concerns with peers can be transformative in helping them cope with the psychological stresses of sickle cell disease. Our team can help. As you strive to create a nurturing environment filled with understanding and care for a child who has sickle cell disease, remember that Best Care is here to help with all of your questions related to family caregiving. We want to be your companion on this journey, dedicated to bringing you and your loved ones support and care. If you find this podcast helpful, share this with a friend, leave a review, and don't forget to subscribe. Contact us today for expert guidance and support. Visit bestcaremn.com. Thanks for listening to the Caregiver Connection.